In economics, understanding how individuals and firms make decisions is paramount. The marginalist approach provides a powerful framework for analyzing these choices. It focuses on the incremental impact of one more unit of an activity. This perspective helps us dissect complex economic problems into manageable, actionable steps. It is a cornerstone of microeconomic theory and rational decision-making. At the heart of marginal analysis are two key concepts: marginal benefit and marginal cost. Marginal benefit refers to the additional satisfaction or utility gained from consuming or producing one more unit of a good or service. It represents the extra value derived from an incremental change. Conversely, marginal cost is the additional cost incurred from producing or consuming one more unit. This includes any extra expenses, effort, or resources expended for that single additional unit. Both concepts are crucial for evaluating incremental changes. Rational economic agents make decisions by comparing the marginal benefit of an action to its marginal cost. They do not consider the total benefits or costs, but rather the benefits and costs associated with the next unit. This incremental comparison guides optimal choices. If the marginal benefit of an action exceeds its marginal cost, it is rational to undertake that action. Conversely, if the marginal cost outweighs the marginal benefit, the action should be avoided or reduced. This continuous comparison drives economic behavior. Consider a firm deciding whether to produce one more unit of a product. The firm will compare the marginal revenue, which is the additional revenue from selling that unit, to the marginal cost of producing it. If marginal revenue exceeds marginal cost, production should increase. Similarly, an individual deciding whether to consume one more slice of pizza will weigh the additional satisfaction, or marginal utility, against the additional cost, or marginal price. They will continue consuming as long as the marginal utility surpasses the marginal cost. This applies across countless economic scenarios. The optimal decision point occurs when the marginal benefit of an activity precisely equals its marginal cost. At this equilibrium, no further gains can be made by increasing or decreasing the activity. This is the point of maximum efficiency or utility. If marginal benefit is greater than marginal cost, the agent should increase the activity to gain more net benefit. If marginal cost is greater than marginal benefit, the agent should decrease the activity to avoid net losses. The equality of marginal benefit and marginal cost signifies an optimal allocation of resources. It is crucial to distinguish marginal analysis from total analysis. Total analysis considers the overall benefits and costs of an activity from its inception. While useful for initial decisions, it can be misleading for incremental adjustments. Marginal analysis focuses solely on the changes brought about by one additional unit, ignoring sunk costs or past benefits. This forward-looking perspective is essential for dynamic decision-making in a changing economic environment. For instance, the cost of a factory built last year is irrelevant to the marginal cost of producing one more unit today. The marginalist approach is a fundamental tool in economic analysis. It provides a rigorous framework for understanding how rational agents make choices at the margin. By comparing incremental benefits and costs, individuals and firms optimize their outcomes. This powerful concept underpins theories of consumer behavior, firm production, and resource allocation. Mastering marginal thinking is essential for any student of economics.